What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Tim Miller from Bucket Mouth TV, and this is my mosquitoes. This is my first ever video to this channel, to YouTube, anywhere in general. I did a $20 Walmart challenge, and it went horrible. I bought 3 or 4 baits. I lost them all. I caught 2 fish. I lost a fish. It was just bad. I would have filmed the Walmart, but with this social distancing and the corona and the mask, I didn't want to spend more time in there than I had to. So I'm just showing you guys what I was throwing, what I'm gonna be throwing. If you guys stick around to this channel, I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be working with. This right here is what I call my flipping stick. You know, I'm a big fan of Favorite and the Quantum Reel. This is the AP Bassin Favorite rod. I know Guggen's not with Favorite, but I started watching Guggen when they were with Favorite, and I just had to keep these rods. I love Favorite. And Quantum. Quantum was the first ever bait catch that I ever had, so I gotta stick with it. Amazing rod. Then the Lews Mach Crush, the one that you're gonna be seeing inside the video. This right here, Lojo put me on Lews. I just had to get it. Fishing with Norm has it. Kicking at Bass TV has it. Atypical Outdoors has it. Had to get it. Shout out to the homie Atypical Outdoors. Had to get it. Then back to Favorite. You know, I gotta stick with Favorite. You have to have a favorite. You don't have to, but this is what Favorite Defender. I want the Lunkers edition, but they're sold out, I guess. I'm a Shimano SLX. This is like, this reel is just amazing. Simple rod to use. Last but not least, I'm back to the Favorite Defender again with the Quantum Reel. It's the same Quantum Reel. This is the nitrous. You know, this here is my arsenal for my set of videos. I have another Favorite rod, you know, that I'll throw for top water, but that's really about it. But this video is supposed to be kind of funny. You know, I rage quit so many times trying to film it. It was just a bad video, but hopefully if you guys stick around and watch it, it will get better. Thank you guys so much. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Tim Miller from Bucket Mouth TV, and I'm here today at this beautiful neighborhood pond. You see it right there behind me. It's a public pond, so it gets fished pretty often. So I did my first ever Walmart $20 challenge, I guess you can say, to where I went and picked out 4 lures for 20 bucks, and here they are. The Cotton Cordeal Super Spot, a little red eye shad from Strike King, and of course the Bill Lewis, then another Bill Lewis original rattle trap. I'm throwing those on the Mach Crush right there. So I'm gonna see what I can do today. Hopefully I might catch 1 or 2. You know, this water is really high. With all this weather, it's no telling, and then this pond is also fished really heavy. It's a beautiful pond though. Beautiful pond, it's a good size. Hopefully I'm getting that right. So you guys stay tuned. It's my first ever video. Let's see what I can make happen for you. All right, you guys, so of course I'm starting with the original Bill Lewis rattle trap. I'm gonna start on this side over here, because I've caught fish out of here before, but every fish I caught out of here has been on the chatterbait. So I kind of want to, you know, explore a little bit, see what else these boys gonna hit. So let's see. Hopefully you guys stick along with me. I've been putting off this video for a long time, so I guess it's time to actually start getting to it, getting down with it. Oh man, I just had a fish. Freaking with the camera. Just had a freaking fish. He killed it. Like, he legit ate it out the water. Okay. Let's cast it back out there. It was maybe about a pound. It would have got us off this bait. Bait's getting tore up, dude. I just got bit again. I'm not really rolling it in. Oh. Just had another fucking fish, dude. Just had another fish. Are you serious? Like, they are killing it, but I think they're small. I hope you guys saw my line running, because that right there, the rattle trap might be the juice. I think he got it again. See? Small little fish. Small one. Yes, it's like a brim or something. Something, because I'm... All right, let's see. I'm gonna try to let him take it. Because I felt them. You can feel them all day. Something swimming right there. Got it again. That's a little small one, maybe. Come here. Hey, I caught a fish and it broke me off. Caught a fish and it broke me off. You guys saw that. I'm pissed. I am mad. Dude, I am so mad right now. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. That was a big fish. Freaking giant. All right, you guys. I know y'all saw that. Y'all had to see it. Huge fish. Broke me off at the bank. You know what? So we can count that as a W. There, I caught a fish. I didn't hold it, but I caught him. Right where I knew he was gonna be at. Running water, against the bank edge, huge fish. It's on camera. Y'all saw me. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me. Get your boy name out there. But anyway, we're gonna keep this going. I got on the red rattle trap now. If he bites again, that'll be great. But if he doesn't, hey, we'll make our way around the pond and keep it going. Right along there, where I thought he'd be. Like, natural colors are really good to fish with. Especially that rattle trap. Had to get my Mark Daniels on MDJ, baby, with the rattle trap. I was really about to jump in the water and get him, but he was pulling hard. I think I was shocked that I missed two fish, but I caught that one. He broke me off at the bank. I couldn't do nothing about it. So we're gonna count that as a W. It's on camera. You guys saw it. Let me tighten up my freaking drag. Oh, it's tight all the way. He hit so hard. Good God. He was hooked good too. He was hooked really freaking good. See if I can go for the money shot in that little pocket right there. Bow. Look. Just a little bit short. If I had my quantum reel, my favorite rod, that wouldn't happen. I wouldn't have lost that fish, boy. I'm gonna try something. Try casting out over there, then reel it in over here. Give it more time in the water. Give it a little while longer to sink. I had another fish. Let me make sure you guys are freaking seeing this. I had another fish on, dude. Another fish. Let me zoom in some. Another fish, dude. And he was at least 1.5 pounds. I thought I was freaking home. I was like, am I hung? Because I just got, you guys saw it. I just got hung over there. Just like I said, dude. Oh yeah, see? Now it's want to be grass when I set the hook. Boy. What is that? Oh, I don't do insects, buddy. Well, them little beetle things. Sorry. Jeez. That is 2 fish. 2 decent freaking fish. What the what? Dude, that is crazy. Well, caught a fish. I'm just not touching them. If you guys want to see me at least touch a fish, like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't comment, because you guys, I've been reading comments on a few other, you guys are savage. I don't even know. I really do not know, man. This is, if I had my favorites rod, this wouldn't happen. And my quantum reel. Good cast. Money shot, baby. All right. Well, that's 2 fish. Well, my first video. Supposed to produce a banger. Look at that. Something right over there on the bank. I really, oh my God. Well, I should title this video Complete Disaster Walmart Challenge. All right, finally got this on, tied on, Strike King. I've never fished one of these before. But hey, anything can happen. I lost 2 baits, lost 2 fish. But I caught 2 fish though. Boom. So let's make it happen, man. I got 1 bait left. One bait left, so let's see what we can make happen with it. Well, not this. This here is my last bait. It'll be first upload video. If you guys want to see more, like I said for the 3rd time, like and subscribe. They're not all gonna be this bad. I promise. Big topwater action. I just had a fish. Dude, are you freaking kidding? He follows it up to the bank, hit it when it's coming out of the water. Like, really? Really? Some more fishing line. I mean, if you don't catch any fish, at least we're cleaning up the pond. That's crazy. That is really crazy. Big fish. The first freaking bait, dude. The first lure. Big fish. Big fish. Well, and I'm home. And I'm home. As you guys can see, I had to tie on another freaking lure. This one is the Cotton Cordell, 1/4 ounce. It's the last lure. Last freaking lure, but hey, we caught fish. Some content, even if it's bad content, you know, it's gonna get uploaded. I got the fish on camera, so it's a. Where did that go? Are you serious? This is getting ridiculous. Honestly. Done. Just cut it. All right, so if you're watching this, you guys already finished the video. As you can see, I didn't touch a fish, I didn't hold a fish, I lost all my baits, I lost every fish I had. It was just a bad day. Hopefully you didn't laugh too hard at me or just stop watching the video because I didn't. Yeah, but like I said before, it'll get better, you know. And more videos, we take the boat out, we'll go to bigger lakes, bigger ponds, actually get some fish. We might even take the Raider out. Who knows? In the next few videos, I'll be showing you the heavy Chevy, showing you the SS Guggen. So you guys stick around, watch the videos, and get to know me. We can make this journey together. Have a good day. Peace.